Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explain how to use the CNT parameter of the sensor to analyze its state. CNT is the main parameter used for sensors diagnostics. CNT means current or current level. If it is less than 10,000, most likely the tubes got disconnected from the sensor's head, or the calibration wasn't done properly. The sensor will show the level as 6,500. Try and recalibrate it. If it doesn't help, you need to send the sensor to us for the diagnostics. If the CNT is several times higher than the full calibration reading, there is a short circuit caused by some contaminants in the tank. The level will be shown as 7,000. You need to blow the sensor through the drainage holes with pressurized air, clean the tank, and flush it along with the sensor with pure fuel. If the fuel level shown by the sensor does not correspond to the actual level, compare your CNT reading with the calibration values. Probably you need to recalibrate the sensor or remove any contaminants from the tank.